This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Happy to have you. This video is awesome because every single pattern is free. Every single one. All 81 patterns are free. You do not have to pay a dime, and because of this, I won't be putting the free or paid tags on the images because they're all free, okay? So, there's no question about it. This video is 80 cute keychain crochet ideas, okay? I love keychains. You can make them really fast, and usually most of them are beginner friendly. There are a couple that can be a little difficult, but for the most part, if you don't have a lot of experience crocheting, you can make keychains, okay? Like I said, every single one of these patterns is free, and as always, they'll all be linked in the description box below in the order that I say them, linked to a free video or written tutorial. And if any of these are yours and you don't want them promoted in this video, DM me over on Instagram or send me a quick email and I'll take it out. Alright, with all of that being said, there's no categories because they're all keychains, so let's just jump right into the first pattern. The first one I have for you is this really cute pig keychain. It reminds me of Mabel's pig from, is that her name, Mabel? It's gotta be, right? I think so, from Gravity Falls. So cute. Then this is actually a 3 set for you. You can make these cute little bouquets, like single flower bouquets, with either a tulip, a sunflower, or a daisy. You can also make these triangle fish, which I just thought were really fun. Or these cat with hats. There are 5 different hats, and so cute. And you could really get creative with the color of the cat fur. And then this one's really cool. It looks like she used like eyeshadow to make the flower kind of ombre out in color, so that's pretty unique. And then we have these crochet ballet shoes, which I thought were so fun. When I came across these, I had to add them because they're so cute and also like so unique. I never would have thought to make ballet shoe keychains, okay? And then this is a cute little pug, super cute. And then obviously we have to put the basic beginner bee. If you've never crocheted before, this is a good first time project to learn how to increase, decrease, and change colors. But I mean, I feel like if you've been here and you've been crocheting, you've made one of these at least once. It's always a project most beginners end up making at some point, so I had to add it here. And then we have some cute little crochet mushrooms with different colored mushroom hats. And then we have a crochet strawberry cow. Super cute. I've only ever seen these in like huge plushie form, so I thought it would be nice to include a keychain size one for this video. And then we have DIY phone charms, which you could make a little bouquet. I love phone charms. They're really cute. And so I thought a cute little bow phone charm would be perfect. Hey guys, just want to take a second to thank this video's sponsor, Skillshare. A skill I've been wanting to learn recently has been quilting, because I know everything about crocheting, but I know nothing about quilting. So I'm taking this quilting class, and I'm actually really enjoying it. I just finished making this baby quilt, so I'm definitely learning a lot of quilting skills. Skillshare is the largest online learning community for creatives with thousands of classes led by industry experts across film, illustration, design, freelance, productivity, and more. Skillshare can help you take your career, hobbies, passions, or even side hustles to the next level. I also have a class over on Skillshare where I teach you how to tapestry crochet. You learn how to read a tapestry grid, make your own, and the 3 common methods of tapestry crocheting. And by the end of the class, you have a finished heart tapestry you can either give to a friend or display on your wall to show everyone how awesome you are at tapestry crocheting. Skillshare also has some other categories that I think you guys would really like the content creation and social media categories for those of you who've been wanting to start your own channel or start posting about the things you make. They also have productivity classes to help you with your time management and managing multiple projects at once. And if you've been wanting to start your Etsy shop and you're just needing a little help, there are a bunch of Etsy classes as well. So whether you're a beginner or advanced and looking for a challenge, Skillshare has something for you. Let's start treating creativity the same way we treat health and wellness. Creativity is a muscle. The more you exercise it and build your craft, the more you grow. If you want to practice your creativity on Skillshare, the first 500 people to use the link in my description will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare. So get started today. And then we have a tiny little bouquet. Again, also a good way to get rid of scraps if you have like little bits of different colors laying around. And then this one's super fun. It's a goldfish. I love that you can either make an all orange goldfish or the white and orange goldfishes. And then you don't even have to make this into a keychain. You can just do like a cute little mesh bag and sell them, or even put them in those like little fishbowl things. Super cute. And then we just have a simple mushroom. And then we have these cute like ruffle heart keychains. And then a cute little butterfly. This one is fast. I've made it before. And then you've got an octopus and a squid. So this one's a 2-in-1. And I have made the squid. Or no, I made the... Wait, octopus or squid? Which one's which? Or sorry, not squid. Jellyfish. What am I saying? Octopus and jellyfish. I've made the jellyfish before. Not me forgetting what a jellyfish was. And then we have these cute little Pop-Tarts. Adorable. And then this one's a 5 set. There's 5 different kinds. There's a little Hello Kitty, Evil Eye, Rose, Puff Flower, and a Clover. And then we have this cute little capybara wearing headphones. Do you guys remember when capybaras went like super viral? Like, I think it was during COVID or maybe after. But that's cute. And then there's also some no-sew cats and dogs for those of you who don't like sewing and like a good no-sew pattern. And then we've got little fruits as well. And then this is a flower. I would say this one's more for people who haven't, if you're not just starting out, then this one's probably for you. And then we've got a rose, a fluffy octopus. If you don't want to make the other one that I showed you that's not fluffy, you can make this jellyfish, which is a little longer and a little more detailed. You can make a baby turtle. This baby turtle is really cute. You can make a baby turtle. You can make a whale. Super cute. You can make these cats with like fruit. This fruit cat set. There's 4 of them. So cute. These kind of remind me of like blind boxes, which I've been watching so many blind boxes on my TikTok like being opened, and I'm about to start a new obsession, and I'm scared because those things are expensive, but that's what this reminds me of, blind boxes. There's like a 4 series. So you could also make this little whale pouch, of course, and make it into a keychain, or this little lily of the valley flower. Then we've got some simpler flowers, and then we have a Smitsky dupe, kind of, based off the Smitsky blind box series. Can you tell I've been getting into blind boxes recently? Super cute. And then this one is just a bunch of no-sew mochi cats. You can make literally any one of these, but they're no-sew, so that's pretty cool. And then these are sprites. I thought they'd be fun. And then I love these. These are so cute, okay? Talk about a cute keychain. These overall bunnies. Like, bunnies in overalls. Bunnies are already cute, but when you put something in overalls, it's even cuter. So I love these keychains. And then we have bear scarves. Again, something that's already cute and you make it cuter. And then this one I've actually made. Wait, let me go grab it. Isn't it so cute? I've made this one already. I think I made it last year, but it's adorable and you can take the hat and the scarf off, but look how cute it is. And depending on the yarn you used, I used like really thin cotton yarn, and it's perfect size for a keychain or like a little bag charm. You can also make a clover. You can make these sea charms. This is actually, I think it's like a 5-pack or something. Or no, how many is there? There's 6 of them. So there's like a starfish, a conch shell, a flower, all the different kinds. And then this one's just a simple star. And then I thought these little dolls were super cute because you can do like customize and make them like match you or your friend. Like, see the vision with me. I see like if you were to make me, you'd make like brown hair and like blue eyes and put little like lips on there. And then for the color, you can just put like my favorite colors for the clothes, you know, like that kind of thing. You just make a customized little keychain doll. And you can use scrap yarn, so that's cool. This one is a mini food set, so there's 5 of them. There's a croissant, a cookie, an egg, a pretzel, and a piece of bread. So I thought that'd be fun. They also remind me of jelly cats a little bit, the jelly cat bag charms. And then this is a thick bow if you don't want to make a thin bow. I showed you a thin one earlier. That one's a thick one. And then these are bell flowers. And then we have a Snoopy set, which is 2. It's a sitting with a heart and then just a standing Snoopy. So you've got 2 options. And then we've got the cherry kitty and bear. So we have a bear and a kitty, and they're like in cherries, which I thought this was so cute and creative. So cute. And then it's also just like a little cute, like added onto just a normal cherry keychain. Then we have a simple puffy heart pattern as well. And then we've got the Miffy keychains, if that's your style. And then I have lavender for you as well. And that is all 80 of our keychains. I hope you guys were able to find at least one to make. Like I said in the beginning, all of them are going to be linked in the description box in the order that I said them, linked to a free written or video tutorial so you can make them. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. Follow me over there if you want to see my projects I'm making before they end up being posted here, because usually they get posted over there first. I'm doing a little mini series on like my shorts and my reels and TikTok and all of that. So if you guys have TikTok and you want to follow me over there, this is my TikTok. And other than that, comment down below if there's a 50 crochet idea video that you want to see me do that I haven't done, and I will do it. So I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.